Welcome to another video on the DarkSaber channel. In this video we'll be showing some TLC on a two-door G-Class. It has already been fully restored a couple years ago, but it does have some small cosmetic issues from use. Nothing too bad and something we can fix, as the previous painting video with the E34, Nikodimos handled the bodywork. I'll be making another video talking about this G-Class and the model line in general in the future, so I won't talk much about that now. In this video we will see the fenders, mirrors and spare wheel come off to be painted. The bumpers will be lowered and painted on the car. The corner needs to be removed on the rear bumper. And the original plan was to put a new one, but they sent the wrong part. Then there was something going on in Greece that would double the shipping times, and we discovered that the price was 5 times more from the other part that they sent us, so we decided to fix the old one. When people say that the G-Class has great build quality, it's true. The bumpers and fenders have many bolts holding it together, more than I have seen in other cars. The plastics are thick and very strong. It's easy to disassemble, but it just takes some time due to the amount of bolts. But that's what you get from a body on a frame car. You can see it in the details, the welds, the bolts. It's a tool built to be taken apart, repaired and put back together over and over again. You just need some fresh paint, clean bumpers and a careful touch, and that just makes you respect the build quality. After the painting there will be a few cinematic shots showing the car complete again after a good wash. I have a passion for repairs like this, and I will be looking for more projects with more serious bodywork repairs to share in a series of videos here. If you like videos with repairs like this, don't forget to check out my E34 video on the channel. It has the complete process from start to finish, painting the entire car. If you'd like to see more of this G-Class also or other cars, don't forget to like and subscribe.